For over 50 years, Hexagon technology has led the development and management of structures and industrial facilities of all complexities. From planning and design to plant maintenance, operations, and OT/ICS cybersecurity, our digital solutions ensure safety, efficiency, and sustainability throughout the entire asset lifecycle. Whether you're breaking ground on a greenfield power project or operating and maintaining the asset, leveraging the right data allows you to consistently deliver exceptional project and operational performance. Hexagon solutions empower you with data governance of all engineering and operational information, integrated and aggregated across the physical asset and through process and regulatory requirements. From EPC to owner-operators, we accelerate your digital transformation journey, thus making your plants scalable, autonomous, extensible, sustainable, and secure, while delivering quality and value. Digitalization is in our DNA. Accelerate your digital transformation journey with Hexagon today.